Hello everyone, welcome to the X on Mining YouTube channel. In this episode, we will present 5 updates from Zon breaking news. Trump stated that the market value of Bitcoin may surpass gold in the future. Vonek predicts Bitcoin is growing and will eventually reach half the total market value of gold, approximately $350,000. The asset management firm Vonek released a report forecasting that by 2050, Bitcoin will become a global medium of exchange and reserve currency. U.S. Vice President Harris has publicly expressed support for digital assets. At a recent Wall Street fundraising event, she made her first comments on the crypto industry and incorporated artificial intelligence and crypto technology into her vision of the opportunity economy. Australian ASIC Commissioner, many crypto asset companies will need to obtain financial services licenses under the Corporations Act. ASIC plans to update its guidelines before November to clarify the classification and treatment of relevant crypto tokens. Ben Kislin, CMO of Johannesburg-based cryptocurrency exchange Valor, stated that South Africa, with its strong rule of law and independent judiciary, is becoming a gateway to the African market. Its regulatory framework is superior to that of Hong Kong, Singapore, and the U.S. Wall Street investor Jim Rogers emphasized the importance of long-term investment, particularly in agriculture and undervalued markets such as Russia, China, and Zimbabwe, expressing optimism about Russia. Thank you for watching. See you next time.